Hey guys, welcome to another episode. My name is Michael Adams and this is my YouTube channel, Mighty Makers. Well, in today's episode, I came up with a landing page of Twitter. Well, it's a simple landing page. As you can see, it's nothing fancy over here, but the catch here is the theme I added to it. So you can switch the theme, and then you see everything has changed right away. Everything has changed based on the system's theme is going to pick, and it's completely responsive. So I used Next.js, and it's a pure CSS, and also I also use pure CSS in a package. So with the help of pure CSS and a package, I was able to come up with something of this sort. So we'll be coding everything. So if you guys are interested in something of this sort, let me know in the comment section below so that we'll work something out. It's been a while I posted, so I wanted to come up with something and then share it with you guys so we see what goes down. With love from Mighty Makers.